Recording. So, right. So let's do the cat kitty together. So we're going to create a new folder for it.
Can you record this though?
It is recorded. Cat clicker. Right. So we're gonna open with I use the code. So we're gonna start with our HTML file, which is called index.html, and also we will need a JavaScript file, main.js. Right. So that's what we need so far, because we do not care the style, so we just do not need the style CSS. Let's put a exclamation mark for the template and link our JavaScript. Before that, we're gonna have to put the images in. Let me grab the images here. Just gonna save images as. Put that into the cat clicker. Which one is that? This one, yeah. Gonna call this cat.jpg. Right, so I have the image, I have index.html and the main.js. Alright, so let's make the font bigger, easier for you to see it. Alright. Let's open this with web server first. Alright, so that's just empty because I haven't added anything to it. For title, we're gonna call it the cat clicker. Right, it's gonna change the title of it. And right now, let's ending the images. So image tag have a source equals to the cat.jpg, JPEG, and then we have the alternative, just the cat. Right. So let's close this image tag. Right, so that's our image. A cat image is in the website right now, and we are going to count how many times we clicked it. So we're gonna make a counter after the image. You can put it anywhere, like before the image or after image. I'm gonna put it after image. You're gonna say a div. This is clicks. This using h1 inside here. Make it actually h1 too big, like h3 maybe. Clicks. How do you spell clicks? Yeah, that's correct. Clicks. All right. So I have it here, and with a column. And inside h3, we're going to put a span here. That's going to be where I'm going to put my answer. In this span, let's give it ID. Let's call it call it click, right? Or call it output. Doesn't matter. Call it click, and we're going to put our answer inside this click span. I'm going to using document select it and enter the things inside it. All right. So right now, let's link our JavaScript into the index.html. So it's going to be at the end of the JavaScript HTML file, before the body. Before the body ends, put the script tag, and the source is equal to main.js. Right. So there's many ways to do it. I'm just show you one way. You can use in your way if it works. So we are going to add even listener to this whole picture. And once I click that picture, I'm just going to have a counter and adding 1 to the counter and show the counter in the screen. All right. So I'm going to say constant, the cat is equal to document the query selector, and I'm going to select the image. We only have one image tag. It's just going to select the image. It's going to be a cat image. right? That's going to be the cat, and let's adding an even listener to it. So cat dot and even listener. We're gonna adding a click even listener. Right, this is a hint they give you. You can using this word adding a click even listener and run a function on it. Alright, so I'm just going to using the arrow function. I'm going to directly put the arrow function inside here. And take something and do something. Right, just put the arrow function here. And for this function, so every time one click, I'm going to increase a counter. Let's create a counter here. So I'm going to have a let counter equals to 0. That is my counter. And every time one click it, counter plus plus, adding 1 to the counter. And also I want to show the counter into the number of clicks. We're going to get in the span with ID clicks inside here and replace the text content inside it. So let's get it. Let's add some comments here. So this is a select cat image counter for counting clicks, something like that. And this one is and click event on cat image. Right, let's do something else here. We're going to also select the span with ID click. So we're going to constant click is equals to document the query selector. Selector the ID, so it's going to be hash key click. Alright, let's open the F12 here, make sure there's no arrow pop up. Yeah. And I selected the clicks. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna set the default value for it. Set default count. Actually, just I'm just gonna set counter into click. So it's gonna be click the text content is equal to the counter. Here we go. I have clicks 0, and every time one click it, we're going to counter plus plus, and also we're going to counter is not defined. I think because I defined it outside here, so it's not going to be able to do it in this scope. Oh, missing an A. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. So every time I add 1 to the counter, and also I want to replace the old counter, so clicks the text content is equal to this new counter. Here we go. So that's just only about, without the comments, just 10 lines with one function. Alright, so that's how you do it. There's many ways you can do it, but this is maybe the easiest way, or maybe the easier way to do it. Just adding the click event on the image, and every time we click image, run the function adding 1 to the counter and show the counter in the text, in the click span there. All right, so you can make it bigger by changing this H3 into H1. That's maybe gonna be bigger. All right, so this way works. There's gonna be many other ways it also works. I will upload the video to the YouTube, and before